Hello everyone, today we are going to learn A to Z alphabet with its sound. Letter A, A, apple. Letter B, B, bats. Letter C, C, cat. Letter D, dog. Letter E, elephant. Letter F, for frog. Letter G, goose. Letter H, her hat. Letter I, ice cream. Letter J, jellyfish. Letter K, kite. Letter L, lion. Letter M, monkey. Letter N, nest. Letter O, orange. Letter P, penguin. Letter Q, quill. Letter R, rabbit. Letter S, snake. Letter T, turtle. Letter U, umbrella. Letter V, vulture. Letter W, watch. Letter X, X-ray fish. Letter Y, yak. Letter Z, zebra. Here is the letter A to Z. Thank you for watching.